had a lot going on. I'm gonna start this video by saying I'm not a vet, but grab your medical bag and your cutie eyes because you're in for a good one. Well, believe it or not, we still have 2 pigs left to farrow, Fleur here and Luna, both of which are past their due dates, so I don't know when they got bred. We set up their farrowing pens and have everything ready to go, but because of the extra rain, we had to put some more wood shavings down to absorb all this rain we've had, and put straw on top of it for the comfort of the mom and of course her babies. I like that sound. Well, fixing fence isn't the most exciting thing, so I only show you a little bit. This is constant maintenance. I don't know the last day we've gone without fixing a fence for the pigs. We've got to fix one before we get there today. There's a little gap in this gate where the babies can slip through, and we had the boars out helping us. So we had to keep the babies in while they play in their larger pen, all together with Lily and Jenny's babies. Eventually we started letting them out in the whole grazing area, and it's worked out great except for the hole that we have to fix today in another gate underneath. Everything seems hunky-dory until now. Luna is a ferocious eater, as pigs should be. She was walking slow, her head's kind of down, so we thought maybe she's in labor. You see her eating here, but she still didn't eat everything. Her teeth didn't look quite ready to go. And her back end was not swollen. But we figured, she's a gilt, it could be different. She was actually stretching there that made it look like she was uncomfortable with contractions and things. She pulls her leg towards her and lifts her tail like she was having contractions. So we set up a camera and recorded a long time, and nothing happened. The next day there were no babies. She didn't eat anything else. She got up when we forced her to, and she drank a whole lot of water. Then she peed for a long time. It was dark yellow and had a smell to it. I'm telling you this to describe the symptoms. We were able to get her a little bit of applesauce. We offered her all kinds of fruits, and she just would not eat much. She never had a fever, so I figured it was pregnancy toxemia, which you treat with glycol and calcium. I also gave her antibiotics, and hours later she was eating marshmallows. The next day she was standing and eating all by herself. She didn't eat a ton, but that's okay. Hopefully she continues to get better, and I'll let y'all know as it unfolds. Fed the cows, and now we're looking for Lucy because she didn't come in. That could be a sign that she's calving somewhere, or she just had one, she's staying with the babies. It's okay. There he goes. It's safe to say that she was calving. I tried to get the whole thing on video. I was also trying to keep my distance, but she ended up going into the trees, and then she just had twins. She had twins. Oh my goodness. Oh my gosh. Since they're brothers and I have a Charlie Brown theme, this is Linus and Rerun. Only 1 to 2% of cows have twins. This can cause problems though, especially if they don't have enough milk. So the plan was to get them in a couple days, take her and her babies and one other cow off of the lease and onto our farm where we could supplement each baby. The next day we came with the trailer to put our simple plan into action. Lucy, the mama cow, even came into the corrals first, so it was easy to get her. All we had to do was pick up the babies and put Frida in the trailer. Alright, good. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. And here's where our plan crumbled. We were only able to find Rerun. In fact, he hadn't moved from where he was born. Keep that in mind. We had Frida already caught, so we put her in a different section of the corrals and we let the rest of the herd go, hoping that Lucy would lead us straight to Linus. And she didn't. So we went ahead and gave Rerun a bottle of colostrum and he downed it and wanted more. Yeah. After that, we took him back to where he was found, and lo and behold, his mama was there with his brother. So we said, okay, tomorrow we know where they both are, we'll come get them. And the next day, our neighbor Floyd saw them in the morning, we came to get them in the afternoon. That's where the red one was. And guess what? We could only find Rerun. So we took him and now he is officially a bottle baby. We're still going to try to bring Lucy, Frida, and the other twin back to our farm and reintroduce him to his mom. We're not sure how that's going to go. He'll continue to get bottles from us. But luckily for now, he does have a friend. Our neighbor had a calf whose mom died and he's been alone until now. I'm not going to say he's already spoiled, but maybe. Amongst all this craziness and long days, Katniss had a little baby lamb all by herself. She's a little girl, and in keeping with the Hunger Games theme of the sheep, this is Joanna. Katniss is a very protective mom. I can't believe she only had one, but hopefully she lets Joanna play with the next set of babies coming at you soon. Stay tuned for the next one, because these goats are about to pop. If you like this video, feel free to subscribe. I upload most Sundays and you can keep watching us grow our farm. Have a good one.